Hello everyone, in this video we'll solve a nice Harvard elementary high school math question. It will be 1 over 9 whole to the power 1 over 9 is equal to what? How to solve this question? We'll simplify 1 over 9 power 1 over 9 is equal to what? How to solve this radical math question? So let's start. First of all, I can say easily 1 over 9, I take our question, it will be 1 over 9 and whole to the power 1 over 9. This is our question. Now, you know that the exponential law a to the power 1 over n, it will be n root a. According to this law, according to this maths formula, I can say this expression, it will be 9 root 1 over 9. Now, again, you know that a to the power n square root n root a over b, it will be n root a over n root v. According to this maths formula, I can easily here is 9 root 1 and here is 9 root 9. Now at this moment, if I evaluate this case, I can easily 9 root 1, it will be 1, and 9 root 9, I take this value here, 9 root 9. Now at this moment I apply others rule here, it will be 1 over n root a is equal to 1 over n root a times, and I can see this expression, it will be n root a to the power n minus 1 over n root a to the power n minus 1. Now at this moment, if I apply this formula in this expression, I can easily here is, it will be 1 over 9 root 9 times, and it will be n, and here is n is 9 root, and we know that a to the power n minus 1, so a also 9, so 9 to the power 9 minus 1 over 9 root 9 to the power 9 minus 1. Now here I can see this expression, it will be 1 over 9 root 9, and this radical expression, it will be 9 root and 9 to the power 9 minus 1. You know that 9 minus 1, it will be 8, so I can see it will be 9 to the power 8 over 9 root 9 to the power 8. Now at this moment, again I can see easily, if I apply this law, I mean n root a times n root b, I can see this expression, it will be n root av. According to this case, according to this formula, I can see this expression, it will be 9 root 9 to the power 8 over, and it will be 9 root this time this, it will be 9 times 9 to the power 8. Now here this expression, it will be 1, this exponent, it will be 1. Now in this expression, I can see easily, it will be 9 root 9 to the power 8 over, and here 9 root, and in this expression you can see easily here is base same, so I easily this exponent add, so if I add this exponent, so I can see easily this expression, it will be 1 plus 8, then if I evaluate it, 9 root 9 to the power 8, and this expression 9 root 9 to the power 9. Now you know that n a to the power n, it will be a. According to this case, I can see this expression 9 root 9 to the power 8 over 9. This cancel, we will find out here is 9. So this is our answer. Now if I evaluate this expression again, so I can see easily 9 root 9 to the power 8. So this expression 9 root, I can see easily 9, it will be 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power this 8 over 9, this 9. I solved this question without calculator. Now at this moment, I can see easily, here is 9 root and 3 to the power 16, 2 times 8, it will be 16 over 9. Now at this moment, if I apply again these rules here, so it will be 3 to the power 16 over 9 over 3 to the power 2. Oh no, that 3 to the power 2 will be 9. Now I divide this expression by 3, so it will be 3 to the power 16 over 9 divide 3, and here 3 to the power 2 divide 3. It's okay. Now at this moment I can see this expression, it will be 3 to the power 16 over 9, and if I take times, it will be 3 to the power minus 1, yes, or 1 over 3. I take this below, okay, no problem. Here is 3 to the power 2 times 1 over 3. Then you can see easily it will be 3 to the power 16 over 9 times 3 to the power minus 1. According to exponential law, you know that 1 over a to the power n, it will be a to the power negative n. Then here 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power minus 1. Now here I can say it will be 3 to the power 16 over 9 minus 1, and it will be 3 to the power 2 minus 1. Yes, we'll find out our final answer at this moment. So if I evaluate this expression, here is least common value is 9, so 3 to the power 9, and we know that 16 minus 9, because of that 9 divide 9, it will be 1, it will be 9, 9 times 1, it will be 9, so 16 minus 1, and here is 9, it will be 7. So, okay, and here is 3 to the power 2 minus 1, it will be 3. Now at this moment I can say this expression, it will be 3 to the power 7 and whole to the power 1 over 9 over 3. Now if I evaluate this expression, I can say it will be 9 root 3 to the power 7 over 3. This is our final answer in this radical mass question. It's okay if I evaluate it again, so I can see that it is 9 root 3 to the power 7, it will be 12187 over 3. This is our final answer in this radical mass question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.